Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to use slicers in Power BI. In my previous video, we have already discussed about how to generate the number cards, the multi-row cards, key performance indicators, and tables. In this video, we are going to discuss about the slicers. So, activate the slicer from here. Now in the field, we will have to specify the variable. So let's pick up the category and drop it here. So now the slicing will be done on the basis of the category, which is furniture, office supplies, and technology. So even if you put a tick on one of them, just see what happens. Furniture, the changes have appeared. It will only display the result related to the furniture, office supplies, technology. If you want to clear the selections, just press this and then the selection is clear. We can also introduce one more variable in the fields, and that is segment. So in the drop-down menu, you'll be able to see the category as well as the segment. So furniture, clear the selection, only the segment. So in furniture, only the corporate segment result will be displayed. Now activate the focus mode and let's see what are the changes which we can do in on the slicers. So we'll go in the format the visuals, slicer settings. Do we require the list to be displayed as vertical or the drop down menu? Click on the back to report. So this is a drop down menu. Selection. Do we require a single selection or the multiple selections? Let's try to understand this. If I want to activate two segments together, I will have to use the control button. One, two, press the control button. Then only I'll be able to do the multiple selections. Clear the selections. But if I activate this, single select, you can see what happens. Now, if I select office supplies, the category with all its segments will be selected. This is single select. So select all. So again, I'll select furniture, home office, and there is an option of select all. All of them will be selected. Now, if you switch it off, multiple selections with the help of control button. Let's switch it off and clear the selections. So this will give me the rights to do the multiple selections from here only. One, two. But make sure that you off this multiple selections with the control button. Slicer header. It displays category and segment. The size of the font, the color of the font can be changed from here. Just see. The font color can also be changed. Now, let's proceed further. Border. Do we require any border? So, top, bottom, left, right. So it will produce a border on this title. The width of the line can be increased or decreased. Background. Let's select the light color background. Values. In the color of these values can be changed. Do we require the border? Let's select the borders, top, bottom, left, and right. Line width can be increased or decreased depending upon your requirement. Background. Activate the focus mode and you will be able to see the things quite nicely. Back to the report. Hierarchy. Stepped layout indentation. How much do we require? This is how much indent we want to have. Expand collapse. Do we require plus, minus, chevron, or caret? What type of expand collapse we want? Colors. Let's keep it simple. Now we will go in general settings, properties. By changing this number, the height and width can be changed. Position. This will shift the slicer towards the right hand side. This will shift the slicer towards the bottom. Padding. This will increase. If I increase this number, this will increase the white space on left hand side. This will increase the white space on right hand side. This towards the bottom and this on the top. Advanced options. Keep it as it is. Title, if it is necessary, then activate on it and specify the title, otherwise off it. Effects, background. Let's select the background from here. Visual border. We want a round or round corners, so we have specified the round corners. Shadow, do we require a shadow or not? So it's the shadow is outside, bottom right. It can be changed and we can make it top left. Now this is one slicer. Let's activate the another slicer. Just a minute. Now we can activate another slicer also. So just click on back to report. View, view, hit to the width. And again select another slicer. And in this we will select the region. Click on the format your visual slicer settings. We require the vertical list, tile. So this time we will have a tile selection. So if the single select is on, you can see what happens. Only single select. If I off this, then the multiple selections are possible. You can see here. If I on this, the multiple selections can only be done with the help of the control tab, south. And if I want to select west, I will have to press the control tab. Then only the selection will be done. I have pressed the control tab. So select all. So select all option appears. This we had seen previously also in this field, in this slicer. Reset to default. Slicer header. It is region. So let's write it down region wise. Font color is black. It can be increased or decreased from here. Border. We require the border on all four sides, top, bottom, left, right. The color of the border is black. Background. Let's select the light background. Region wise. Values. We'll select the dark. So the dark blue color appears. Padding. This will increase the white portion. Border. Black color. If it is necessary, then only activate. This is a border for the styles options. The color can also be changed from here. Background. So now the tiles are having the background. So if I click on central and see corporate and home office is already on, clear the selections. So at present, it displays all the categories, all the segments, but only for Central, South, East, West. Now let's activate the consumer for Central, and all the figures and charts are displayed for consumer central. So this is the way the slicer works. Activate general properties. By increasing this number, the height and width of the chart will increase. Position. By increasing this number, the chart will shift towards the right hand side. This will make the chart shift towards the bottom. Padding. This will increase the white portion in the slicer. This will increase the white portion on right hand side. This will increase it on the top. This will increase towards the bottom. Title. If it's necessary, activate it and write on the title. Effects. Background. Visual border. On it, black color border with the rounded corners. Shadow. Activate it. And we can have another color of shadow also. Let's pick up the another color shadow. That's a dark blue color. And it's towards the bottom right. And you can see your slicer is ready. So two slicers at a time. So this was all about how to use slices in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.